Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you want the most incredibly comfortable set of sheets, then you need to get these ones from Linenwalas.
These are a 1200 thread count cotton sheet. They are so incredibly soft and luxurious. When my husband and I got into bed, he literally went, "Whoa, these are so soft." I love all of the features of these sheets. First off, that they are machine washable, and the little tag that tells you top or bottom is just huge for me. I always get confused when putting my sheets on the bed, but these are just so incredibly comfortable. The envelope style pillowcase helps keep your pillow in, and they really feel like sleeping on a cloud. They are just so incredibly luxurious. I couldn't love them more.
Take it from someone who loves staying in bed. These sheets are incredible, and you're going to want to get a set. And that's my point of view.